everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiara, and I have my son with me. His name is Christopher. Say hi. Say hi, guys. He is silly. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to try to film this with him sitting here. Like, he would not take a nap. He just wanted to be up with me. So I was like, let's get in the video together. Hope you guys can concentrate. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. I got this from my local Walmart and it is the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Leave-In Miracle Nectar. I absolutely love this this Miracle Nectar. It is like, it's a 10. It is a 10-in-1 care for I can't feel. I can't That's why I can't film this video with you, because you're so goofy. You so goofy. You so goofy. Huh? Oh, can you sit still for me? Okay. 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 So I'm glad that he's sitting here with me because I used this product on his hair today and I absolutely love it. This product claims to be a 10-in-1 for all hair types. This is not going to work out. Oh my God. Okay, it's all do it. Hey, can you tell him your name? What's your name? What's your name? Say, what's your name? What's your name? He's crazy. If y'all only could imagine how my life is every single day with this rascal. Like, he is crazy. Say hi. Say hi. See, look at little Chris. I was saying, when I used this product on his hair, it left his hair so detangled. So my son finally went to sleep. And this is the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Leave-In Miracle Nectar Honey Treasures. It is a 10-in-1 care for all hair types. So this product claims to seal in moisture, detangle and soften, repair smoothness and prevent split ends, tames frizz and flyaways, instantly strengthen hair fiber, restore the softness of brittle hair, nourish with weightless moisture, protect against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a heat protector too. That's always good. Reduces breakage and hair fall. Last but not least, this claims to improve manageability and add supple bounce. So I want to give you guys the lowdown on how I like this product. So after I washed my son's hair today, I applied this, and this, I must say, instantly detangles your hair. It adds instant moisture. Girl, this is very light and rich and creamy. Looks like that, and it smells amazing. Like, amazing. I love the smell. It is like a perfumey smell, but it's like fresh. Like, you don't want to smell fresh? I want to smell fresh. It is like so fresh. It's not like loud, but it's like a clean, fresh. It's not like clean smell. It's like a lightweight. I don't know. I have a hard time explaining smells, y'all, but it just smells good, okay? My overall thoughts of this leave-in, let me tell you. I got lucky once again with the hair product, and it is like simply amazing. When I applied it to my hair, it felt like I was applying a deep conditioner. Like, it was so moisturizing. So moisturizing. It had slip, the tangles would just fall out. Like, I have like nothing bad to say about this product, and the best thing that I love about this product is the fact that it is a heat protectant. Like, you never find a leave-in for real that is a heat protectant and it moisturizes and it gives you slip, it detangles, like a straight up miracle leave-in. I love the fact that it penetrates. It don't feel too cakey on my hair. My hair just absolutely love it. My overall thoughts of this leave-in conditioner is that it is bomb, okay? Like, I absolutely loved it. I will be rebuying this leave-in again and again and again and again. And I also apply this leave-in at night to my ends to make sure they're moisturized and not splitting on me. Just making sure they're staying strong and doing their thing. So that's all that I have for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is that fat red button that's down below that says subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.